Alright, this is my early 260Z 74. I'm starting to take everything off of it again. I haven't worked on it in a couple of years, but I haven't really done anything to it, but done a little suspension stuff, front and back. I haven't jacked the back up yet. I'm just starting at the front and working my way up. You can see that. That's what I've done to the front. And on the other side, oh, them Webers on there. It was like that when I bought it. And that was back in 99. I think I bought this car. Everything was working in 99. Didn't have no rust or none of that. But years of sitting in Norfolk and then North Carolina, I guess that's what I get. Car haven't been driven since 2000 or 2001, 2002, 2001 I think. But and I pulled a lot of stuff out on the inside. Had some rust in the floors. Cut it out. I got to take some more stuff out the inside. But I broke the windshield taking that out. But basically the engine is the way I bought it. I put the headers on, and I put this the optical ignition on it.